Hi yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a cold start on my Monte Carlo 1985 Monte Carlo SS. She's been sitting here for over a month and yeah, not going to go into details, but come on. There we go. I think this is the smoothest it's ever run. I just kind of let it sit for a month. She is running very, very nice. Oh, I miss you. I would give my big toe just to take you out right now. But you're not registered, so I can't. And money is tight, so I can't register you. So this sucks. All I can do is start you in my garage. 45,000 miles. The tachometer that I put in doesn't work anymore because the reader line that goes to the plug wire was resting on my header and it burnt. So now I no longer have that. Oh, I love this car. I really love this car. I smell the premium race gas. 110 octane turbo blue. That's all you get. So start you up a little bit. And that's all you get. No drive. If you ever seen the movie Lost Boys, I'm much like that old man with this car, where it's like, yeah, it's the closest to town it's going to get today. Alright. How about that, Barry Beamer? Beamer and Son Garage. You wish you could have something this nice. Me and my old man restored this car and did it all from the ground up. Everything, body work. We cut this quarter panel off. There's Beamer, Barry, you wish you could do something this nice. I tell you what, I'll give you $3,500 for that Mach 1. And when I get it done, you can buy it back. Just give me like 60, 70 thou, and I think we could work something out. Or that, maybe that Charger or the Challenger. Give me both of those. I'll have them done up in no time. Give you $6,000 for both of them. How about that, Barry? All right, that's all I got for you today. Like and subscribe for more. Go check out Mach O, the Mach O boys. We love their channel. Love what they do, exposing Barry for being such a piece of shit. But yeah, Barry, how about you do something like this? We painted this ourselves in the garage. I don't think you could do this. All the body work, all the rest. The frame. Look at that weld. That was my weld. Can't really see it. That ain't no booger. That's a good weld there. Even the exhaust. I mean, the exhaust isn't the prettiest weld, but I mean, it's just exhaust and the holds. But the framework, 100% clean welds. I'd like to see you try something like that, Barry. All right, that's all I got. Peace out.